Kiran, welcome to the show. Tell us, what are your top trading calls?
The first call would be a Mahindra and Mahindra, which is a sell from my side. The kind of chart pattern that we are seeing, it is negotiating the last 2 days lows as well, and with strong volumes. Auto sector in general is looking weak, with Maruti leading the show. I believe one should go short in Mahindra and Mahindra. 520 would be my stop loss, and targets of 506 should be seen by tomorrow morning. The second call would be Can Bank. PSU banks are also looking pretty weak, and this has also negotiated the last week's swing low, and that too with strong volumes. OI has increased significantly. So CanBank is a sell from my side. 191 would be my stop loss, which is only 2 rupees away from the current levels, or 1.5 rupees away from the current levels. And I expect the stock to plummet down pretty deep. 180 would be my first target, with 176 my second.
Kiran, let's get in a check as to what exactly your outlook is on some of these names. Equitas as well as RBL Bank on the charts?
Matter has given a breakdown, so we believe that we should see lower levels from current levels. Currently trading at 94, my stop loss would be at around the 97 mark, and expecting the stock to come down to around 86 kind of levels in a couple of days. RBL Bank to banking stocks all are looking bad, and this has once again breached crucial support levels, which are the earlier resistance ones. 357, 360 were the levels. And since the time we have moved below that, we have constantly seen that the stock has been moving down. The next support level, the big demand cluster, is at around the 310, 312 kind of mark. So that could be the next support that one should be watching out for.
Kiran, take us through some of your recommendations today.
See, now I think the market should give us a small bounce back from current levels, because we are at the all-time lows, very near it. I practically tested it, and a close at or above 10,700 is giving a small silver lining. And I think Kajaria Ceramics is one counter which has not moved down in this fall. So if the market bounces, this would give market outperformance. So currently trading at 535, I have a stop loss at 535 rupees risk, and the target of 554 should be achieved. One stock from the cash market is Ajanta Pharma. This is clocking very good volumes, and good kind of delivery-based buying could be seen. A good accumulation and a breakout is what is seen right now. Currently trading at 1080. Stop loss is at 1049, a target of 1090, and the second target of 1115 is what I expect by tomorrow.
Sure. I was just getting some comments from you as to how we've seen a lot of those stocks across the spectrum, banks, autos, metals, been beaten quite badly out of shape.
Absolutely. When we move down about 200 points in a day, 150 points in a day, it really shows all the sectors that have contributed. And there's a lot of selling pressure, and I should say that there is no buying interest from the investor community as such. So basically, the only hope is the earlier lows, swing lows that were registered on 23rd of August. If they hold on, I expect a small pullback at least to close the week, and then thereafter we should look at whether we really hold on to the levels of 10,750 or not. So if we move above 10,750, there will be a small respite for a short term, which would take the market back to the 10,900 levels. However, if this 10,750 is not held on, and if this the swing low is broken, then the fresh shorts would be created, and panic would strike the markets.